So we have heard about and been doing ketogenic diet from a long time, but we don't know exactly are we in that stage of burning fat yet or not. And how do we check that? You are tuned into one of the YouTube's leading fitness channel, BodyProCoach Fitness. You want to make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell button that you always have the intimation on the new videos coming up for you guys. Let's go. So we have heard about and been doing ketogenic diet from a long time, but we don't know exactly are we in that stage of burning fat yet or not. And how do we check that? As we all know, ketosis or ketogenic lifestyle is a diet plan or a meal plan which carries a good amount of fat, way less amount of carbohydrates or almost to nil on the carbohydrate, and about decent amount of protein. That's about ketosis or ketogenic lifestyle. The aim here is to put our body into metabolic state called as ketosis, which means that when we eat fewer amount of carbs, our body starts breaking down the stored fat and our body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. Ketosis is a normal physiological process. It takes about 2 to 3 days or up to even 7 days to fall into ketosis. When this happens, our liver starts producing ketones from fats, and this can be detected in about a few ways. So we're going to speak about in detail, deep dive into it. What are the ways to measure your ketosis in the blood or in your system? Focusing on ketogenesis in the liver, we first make ketones acetoacetate from our body fat and turn most acetoacetate into the other ketone beta hydroxybutyrate, BHB. Acetoacetate is the kind of ketone that we measure through the urine strips. Without the help of any enzymes, ACAC, which is acetoacetate, can also spontaneously turn into the third kind of ketones called acetone. Acetone, acetoacetate, and beta hydroxybutyrate are the three main types of ketone that's found in breath, urine, and the blood. They are known as endogenous ketones as they are produced naturally inside our body when we fast or follow ketogenic diet. Alright guys, so we got our special guest and a nutritionist, Pilates master trainer, CrossFit level 2 trainer. I mean, like, you name it, she got everything in our profile. So Maahek, welcome on the information channel. So let's go.
Thank you so much for inviting me here. Okay, today I'm going to help you, let you know what are the ways you could do your diagnosis or probably get to know what stage of ketosis you are. So the first and the easiest thing is you could grab keto urine strips. So that's by the company called as Healthy Wiser. You can also opt for, there are different other companies. You can go on to Amazon, you can search for that. So these strips basically help you to detect and let you know what stage of ketosis you are. What you have to do is when you wake up in the morning, you have to collect some amount of urine into a utensil. From that utensil, you're going to take a strip out of this. You're going to dip it into that, and the color of the strip may change depending on what stage of ketosis you are. So it gives you a color coding behind on the strip box if you see. So it says the lightest it is, that means you're on the lowest level of ketosis. The higher and the darker it goes, that means you are on the best level of ketosis, that means on the best level of fat burning. That means if you reach a stage wherein your strip turns into a burgundy or a dark maroon color, that means you're on the top level of ketosis, and yes, you are at it.
Blood test. Keto Mojo is the equipment or the device that you use to measure the ketones in your system or in your blood. So you just prick and take some blood and put it on the machine. Within few seconds, it tells you exactly what level of ketosis are you in. Beta hydroxybutyrate is a ketone that you measure with blood strips. Below 0.5 mmol, you're not in ketosis yet. Between 0.5 to 1.5 is light nutritional ketosis. You will be getting a good effect on your weight, but not optimal. Around 1.5 to 3 is called optimal ketosis and is recommended for maximum weight loss.
I'm going to be showing you how can you check your ketosis with a blood prick.
And I would say this is the most accurate, the most reliable source when it comes to checking the ketosis in your system or in your blood probably. Let's go.
What y'all can do is y'all can go on to our website, that's www.bodyprocoach.com, and in the shop section you can go and purchase the Keto blood prick monitor, and that will get delivered to you. The monitor is called as a Keto Mojo. What you're going to do for that is you would get a pen inside and you would get a packet of needles. So you're going to take one of them, unlock this like this, remove this. You're going to take the pin, open it, fix this inside, lock it. Okay, once you lock it, you're going to load it and pull it here. This is ready. The second thing what I'm going to do is, these are the strips from which you can detect. I'm going to remove one of the strip, like you can see. I'm going to put it in the monitor here. So now you can see the monitor. It's going to show you the same number what is written on the strip box. So it says code 978. You read here, it says 978. That means the strips match this and they're loaded already. The next thing what you're going to do is you're going to take an alcohol swab. You're going to clean the index finger of the person you're going to test the strip.
I'm scared now, I'm scared.
So example, I'm testing him. I'm going to clean his index finger. So you see the index finger. On the index finger, you're going to prick it, and there you go. Clean it with the alcohol swab. 0.3. That means it's a very basic and initial stage of ketosis.
That's a lot of very clear information given by Maahek though. Guys, you want to put in the comment that if you'd like to see Maahek more in the information videos. So I'm going to invite her, I'm going to get her to the channel. So let us know about it, put that in the comment. And thank you so much, Maahek, for sharing the information with us.
Thank you.
You want to follow her on Instagram and the Facebook as Maahek, Maahek. And she shares a lot of information, a lot of fitness tips. And I believe very strongly that fitness is all about the correct information and then it comes to applying. But until unless you don't have it, you can't apply it. So you want to make sure that you follow her and literally follow exactly what she says.
Thank you, Coach Praveen.
One specific ketone called as acetone exits the body through urine or through the breath. Acetone can cause unpleasant breath, which might have a fruit smell, sometimes metallic smell, or sometimes like a smell of a nail polish remover. And you may start noticing this kind of a breath or a smell in your breath after starting about few days of ketosis diet. And this is an indication of that you're already getting into the stage of ketosis. The amount of acetone excreted in the breath can be detected by using keto breath meter or a device like Ketogenic. This method is not the most accurate one when it comes to measuring the ketosis because it only measures the acetone. If you drink alcohol, you will have more acetone in your breath. So we do provide personal trainings, one-on-one online coaching, or else you can join the team BodyProCoach on online training. To know more about online coaching or the personal training, do drop us a mail at coaching@bodyprocoach.com. Cheers.
Thank you.
Alright guys, you want to make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell button that you always get to know whenever I am going live or whenever we have a new video coming up. And we've got videos on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday. So 4 videos coming up on Train to Look Good programs, on recipes, on information, how to create or how to do a squat or pull-ups or how to improve your performance. And in information we have furthermore in detail what do you mean by intermittent fasting or ketosis or ketogenic diet. So you get all those things that you need to be fit or to take a step towards fitness. So you want to make sure that you share the channel with your friends and family, that even they have a great channel which has all the content that they need to be fit. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're looking for online training, do mail us at coaching@bodyprocoach.com. Thank you so much for your time and I look forward to see you in the next video. Cheers.